And when it stops, zero.
No motion, no motion, no distance.
No, you can't do it.
Why not?
You can never get there.
Why is that?
Because every time you try and cool it down a little bit more, you have to start again and cool it down a bit more, and then you cool it down a bit more, and you cool it down a bit more, and you gradually get closer and closer and closer, but you never quite make it.
What's the closest anyone's ever got?
Depends in which system you're talking about. In nuclear spins, they got down to a nanokelvin, which is 10 to the minus 9. That's 9 zeros after the decimal point.
That's 1,000 million.
1,000 million
degree.
degree. Yeah.